and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all super well today. As you can see from my costume, makeup and the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this Winifred Hocus Pocus makeup look. Hocus Pocus is one of my favourite Halloween childhood films. I've watched it more than 10 times, probably more than 20 times. I've literally watched it so much. I love it. And yeah, I thought it'd be fun to create this hocusy pocusy look for you guys for Halloween if you're looking for a last minute costume. So let's get going. So that's it guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I've left links below for you to shop this whole entire look. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon. Peace out.